It's a beautiful day. Let's walk down to the river. Ah, look at my friend. Look at my friend. Him gone. It's my friend, the squirrel. It's my lunch date. Always out here. Let me go over here and try get him again. He's always out here. The squirrel. Hi guys. Welcome back to another week of lunch hour stroll. Summer. I don't see summer yet. Look at my friend. Dominique. I don't see summer yet. Yesterday it was storming. Today is a better weather. Look at my friend, guys. Not even see some of the right here said, oh, it's two of them. Ooh, it's two of them, guys. Ooh, I wonder if they're mating or them just out. Ooh, okay. Look at that. Wonder if they're mating. Nature. He's out playing. Hands in the air. Dominique, is it somewhere your side? Because this side, it was so, what did you say now? Not overcast. It was overcast and it was foggy this morning. Got the other one. Who is three of them? Ooh. I have short sleeves on. It's 74 degrees and I'm in upper west. Well, I came out in my jacket, as you can see, because I'm not take the chance. This minute you're hot, one next minute you're cool. Yeah, and it's kind of windy this side. Yep. It's not 74 though. I think Alexa did say. I don't remember. It was 40 something this morning and about 50 something in the afternoon or evening. Guys, look at them, guys. Look at the squirrel. Ooh. 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 Squirrel. Squirrel. Yes, I'm in Dutchess County. Hudson Valley region. Yeah. And it is saying 65. And I remember, well, in the office was very cold. But I have on my jacket because but yeah, I'm outside and it's beautiful, 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 beautiful. And me and the squirrel them having fun. Team? Squirrel. Squirrel. Squirrel, squirrel. 65 is warm. Kuya. I'll tell you. Okay. Yeah, because this morning somebody said it have to be like this if it is like 2021, like when the apples, when they bear, they were so small because they had a early spring and it was affecting the farmer's crop. But this year, having this type of weather is good. Sometime moist and sometime hot. It's good for the farm. So we get better apple this year. Yeah, rabbit. Really? Hope so. I hope so. But for now, it's squirrel out in their numbers. Hi guys, welcome in. I see a lot of person on the live. Please like the live, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Yes. So this is my lunch hour. Meet and greet with my supporters. well, lunch half an hour meet and greet with my supporters. Cause I eat lunch already. Watch him or her. I don't know them different guys. How do you tell the female different from the male? How? Hmm. Look at him. Hmm. So cute. He's eating. Hmm. And guys, who know about these species? How do you tell the male different from the female? Well, I can't. Let's take a tour around the riverside. Cause I've had enough of the squirrel. Yeah, and him not look like him afraid of me anymore. In our run. He's been so friendly today. Maybe because of the nice sun. Yeah, welcome in guys. Thank you for coming in. Remember to like, share, and comment. I'm on my lunch break walk. Thank you for coming along. Subscribe. Like up the live. Wait. Enjoy your walk after run. Okay, take care, Dominique. Yes. Guys, so many persons on like up live, please. Give me a thumbs up if you like my live. See it? Woo! Beautiful day. Wow. The kids all like sitting down in the grass studying. Can't even show you the river. Too many kiddos. Too many persons outside playing ball. It's a beautiful day. So, yeah. The trees are so beautiful. I guess you can see the screen, the trees in my background, guys. Trees are on leave now. Christmas tree coming along. By the time I quit, you know, summer, and we are talking about Christmas again. Jesus. Where is the time going? They're all out picnicking on the grass. Beautiful day today. Hi. Beautiful day, guys. Enjoy the beauty of God's creation. Hi, Penny. Woo, Penny's here. Hi, Penny. Penny, I'm doing my regular lunch hour, half an hour walk, and chatting with my supporters. Look how I'm nearly get lit down. Lord God. But outside is so beautiful. I'm overlooking the river. And the wind is beautiful. Wow. Students all over playing ball, picnicking on the grass. Just that kind of day today. Beautiful day today. And I am strolling. So I see girl. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Hold on. I want to see if I can get a shot of the river without the kids in there watching. See the river there, guys? That's the river. Oh, it's like a train is passing. Look, guys. See the train? The train is down there. The train is passing. Yeah. Yeah. That's just fun. A lot of people down there, you know, because it's beautiful. I was wondering if you were off work today. No, I'm at work, but I'm strolling campus. Yeah, I'm strolling the campus, big, huge campus. I can walk in my lunch hour and get some exercise in. And that's what I'm doing. I do this almost every day. I try to. Unless it's raining, I stayed in. Guys, remember to like up the live. Oh, me not see no likes and so much person on. So many persons on and me only see 2 likes. Jesus. 13. And me only have 2 likes. And nobody else not talk. Only Penny. Beautiful, beautiful. One of these days, I'm gonna go down on the river, but I'm afraid. I don't know, I'm afraid. Good. You can take your lunch break and get your exercise. Of course, yeah. And I could also go to the gym. But I'm not ready for that yet. Soon ready for that. Can't me believe say when me work out, we must just leave and go home. But person does that in their lunch hour. Yeah. Yep. So what's going on in Jamaica, Penny? Is it raining out there? Is it sunny weather? Whew. Let me walk out a little food. Let me just eat. By the time I go back in, I'm hungry. Person I'm running to, you know. You have people that exercise, some I run, some I walk, some I jog. Yeah. Whew. Let me stop now this little shade here. Whew. Let me rest a little bit. Let me rest a little food. Whew. Oh, beautiful tree. This is a beautiful tree right here. See? Behind me, guys. Nice shade. Whew. I'm taking the shade. Just like drizzling in Portmore and generally overcast. Not certain about Kingston. Okay. Okay, as usual. Maybe it's raining hard in Kingston because Portmore hardly get any rain. Yeah. It's a little steep here, so to get some mean on the road. If you get say on this side and drive on in, guys, I turn up and look on the car. I come straight for me. If you get say a right hand drive. Whew. Oh, it has been very hot there. Okay. Okay. Okie dokie. So road over there, so guys, the road is over there. Stoplight, everybody out there. Road busy. Whew. I have 9 minutes to wrap up this lunch hour. Whew. I'm still quite away from my building, but that's okay. I'll get there before. Yeah. I could have come out without the jacket for true, you know. But because me used to putting on the jacket this time, because sometimes you come out here, it's like the weather bipolar. Minutes it's cold, one next minute it's hot. Yeah. But it's a beautiful day. This morning, as I said before, there were a lot of fog this side. And it was overcast. It wasn't raining though. And it was a bit chilly. But the day ended up good. Yep. I feel much better when I do a little walk in the lunch hour because I don't really do no other exercise, guys. I'm there in Jamaica, I walk go up Mountain Spring. A true penny. After work, I gone in that gym, gone exercise. Yeah. But no, I can't even do no exercise. The security. The security I watch me, okay? I must say, look how she on the road. I mean, I use the sidewalk. You see him taking time and drive around me. Yeah. I look like my last. What's the building there again? Oh. Can't miss that building there, man. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. One day I'm going to carry on down at the river and carry on out of the road. But I'm afraid as usual. Not true. Mountain Spring and gym days, may I tell you? Yeah. I walk till I'm tired to go up a Mountain Spring. The guys in my fear push me up. Yes. We'll never forget. I think I have some of those videos on my channel, guys. You can go watch some of them. Yeah, those were my first set of videos. Short, but yeah. Beautiful day. All little puppy come out. Oh, little puppy. Oh, the little puppy come out. May I tell you, the little buggy there out for me down, come me up on the road, not in the sidewalk. But then she said, me not the road, so them just take them time and come down. Yeah. 5 minutes to go. Over the gym, they might have the function later. Yeah. Retirement and long service function later. That reminds me of Jamaica when we see it. Buggy. And you come on when me almost ending the live because 4 minutes. Yeah, look at this beautiful tree, guys. The beautiful trees. Look at them. Look at that beautiful tree and this beautiful one. It's just spring is now, cause you know winter trees not have no leaf at all. Leave them ice up, dry up. Beautiful trees all around now. Happy day, yeah. Not to forget the look out at the other hill. Those were good. Yes, man. Wait, the name again? What the one on Papa P name again where we used to go? We never like that one they do. I wait the name again, Penny. The Papine one. When Darren them I run up that, we really a struggle to close it out. I don't remember what name though, but the Mountain Spring and the one at Papine. Them something that we used to, but we never easy, At night we go and walk up at the hill there. God was always by our side and protecting us. Yeah, was always protecting us. So guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for coming on my afternoon stroll. Look forward to do it again tomorrow. Okay, thank you, thank you. Remember to come in about 12:30. I normally do this. First half or second half of my lunchtime. So remember to tune in tomorrow when we do it all over again if it don't rain. Okay? Thank you so much. And a pen line castle. Yeah. So see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Remember to check out all my other videos, guys. Watch them, like them, share them. Yeah, comment, share them, and leave me a comment, okay? Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you tomorrow. Peace out. Bye. Bye, Penny. Take care.